Frequency distribution tables and graphs of 8th class, 7th chapter of 8th class maths. Introduction. Now let us start with the definition of data. Data. What is data? Information available in verbal or numerical form or graphical form which is used to take decisions or draw conclusions is called data. Now try this of page number 151. Examples for data. Top 5 students who has got highest score in S7 examination. Yeah, I am writing here names of 5 students who scored marks highest score. Nisba 598, Bhagyasri 579, Shagufta 584, Sania 592, Namira 600. And second example, votes scored by 3 different parties. First, XYZ party scored 1000 votes, PQR scored 780 votes, ABC scored 895 votes. Third example, prices of different grains in supermarket. Rice 4500 rupees per quintal, jowar 4000 rupees per quintal, wheat 5000 rupees per quintal. Now next topic is basic measures of central tendency of this frequency distribution tables and graphs, 7th chapter of 8th class maths. In this basic measures of central tendency, among them first one is arithmetic mean. Definition for arithmetic mean is it's nothing but average of all the observations. So here formula arithmetic mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Let us take if arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar, that is equal to sigma xi by n, where sigma xi it means sum of observations, x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on like that. N is number of observations. Arithmetic mean by deviation method. There are 2 methods to find mean. First, general usual method is x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. Arithmetic mean by deviation method is estimated mean plus average of the deviations. That is nothing but estimated mean plus sum of observations by sum of deviations by number of deviations. Here x bar is equal to a plus sigma xi minus a by n. Here xi minus a is nothing but deviation. If we assume any one number as mean, assumed mean, and that should be subtracted from the each observation, then we get deviations. If we add all of them, we get sum of deviations, and sum of deviations by number of deviations is average of the deviations, and that should be added to the assumed mean, that is estimated mean. Then we will get arithmetic mean by deviation method. Next, second measures of central tendency is median. Median is the middle term of the distribution when it is arranged in either increasing or decreasing order. Means it's nothing but middle term. If number of terms are even, then median formula will be n plus 1 by 2 2th term. Means if there are number of terms 9, then 9 plus 1 10 by 2. That is 5th term will be the median when n is odd. Then median is the arithmetic mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th term average. Arithmetic mean or average of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. That is when it is like that, when number of terms are even. Suppose if number of terms are 10, then 10 by 2 5th term, 5th plus 6th term by 2. Average of 5th term and 6th term will be median of even number of terms. Next, third one, mode. Yeah, before that let me explain with the help of examples here. For median 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Here number of observations are 5. N plus 1 by 2 means 5 plus 1 6th. 5 plus 1 6, 6 by 2. Third term. Here among these observations, which is the third term? 4. Therefore, as they are in ascending order here, therefore fourth term is third term is 4. N plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2. Third term is 4 here. Therefore median is 4. If number of observations are odd, this will be the way. If number of observations are even, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, number of observations are 6 here. n is equal to 6, then n plus, then n by 2, 6 by 2, third term. What is third term here? 7 plus what is fourth term? 8. 7 plus 8 by 2. That is 15 by 2. 7.5 is the median. Next, about mode now. Mode is third measure of central tendency. Here definition for mode is most frequently occurring data. There may be 1, 2 or many modes. See, with the help of example here, in this case 7, 8, 8, 7, 8, 5, 8, 3, 8, 7, 7. Among them, which is most repeated here? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 5 times it is repeated. Therefore, here mode is 8. And in the next example, here both 8 and 7 both were repeated 3 times. So mode will be 7, 8. Here there is a note about mean. When all the observations of the data are increased or decreased by a certain number, the mean also increased or decreased by the same number. When all the observations of the data are multiplied or divided by a certain number, then the mean also multiplied or divided by the same number.